The Institute for Rural Vitality, also known as the IRV, is a connection between the SUNY Cobleskill Ag Tech campus and the community. It focuses on economic development, entrepreneurship, credentials, workforce development, continuing education, and interaction with non-traditional education programs and community efforts. Scott Ferguson is the Chief Economic Development Officer of SUNY Cobleskill Ag Tech and the Executive Director of the Institute for Rural Vitality. Ferguson says that the services and technical assistance of the IRV are open to anyone who wants to utilize them.
Even students can use them. The IRV programs are generally marketed to people in the community, but we've also created the Steps for Success program. That's a campus program focused on our students to develop their business plans.
There are many shared use facilities that the IRV rents out for entrepreneurs to use to create products for their business.
So here in the bistro, we use this as a tasting room and also a meeting room. This space has the ability to serve alcohol, so we can use this for almost any kind of tasting we want. And then in the back, this kitchen gets used quite a bit because it's well equipped and it's relatively small size, so one person can work in it pretty easily, but still produce enough product. We also have the 2 kitchens in Champlin that occasionally get used when students aren't in it. We have the dairy processing center across the street. Also across the street, the USDA certified meat and fish processing facility. Upstairs we have another kitchen lab, and upstairs we also have a brewing and distilling lab. And then around the corner from here we have the food packaging lab, which has a big steam jacketed 75-gallon kettle for people to make product in. And those are available for students and entrepreneurs to utilize as a part of their development of their business.
To learn more about these and other services that exist within the Institute for Rural Vitality, check out their website and their social media pages.
You can always come to second floor of Prentice and ask anybody that you need assistance, and we'll figure out who's the right person to get that done for you. And we have an online interest form that you can fill out to give us a little bit of background so we know what's the best way to help you.
The IRV provides more than just its shared use facilities. There are many opportunities that they offer, and some are available to the public, not just to entrepreneurs and students. In March, there is an Ag Solutions Fair, and registration generally opens in December. There is also a business plan competition in May. Students are encouraged to attend both events, and they could even attend the business plan competition just to watch the pitches and learn from the experience itself.